Nestled in the heart of the city, these small but beautiful apartments are a testimony to creativity, resourcefulness, and the magic of affordable design. Let's take together a tour through their functional and inviting interiors, where Scandinavian simplicity meets budget-friendly elegance. Hi everyone, I'm Lulu, and I'm so excited to share with you these images of two charming apartments. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We post new videos every week covering different style, trends, and themes for your home. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you and know what you think. So, without further ado, let's get into it. First apartment. This charming apartment seamlessly blends Scandinavian design principle with the feminine aesthetic. Let's explore its delightful features. Despite its small size, the entranceway is thoughtfully organized. The long, narrow hallways features well-organized closet and freestanding shelves. A basic white color scheme dominates, creating an illusion of spaciousness and brightness. The living room is flooded with natural light thanks to white walls and large windows. Two white sofas and a glass-top oval coffee table from the central sitting area. A comfortable recliner and floor-standing light fixtures enhance the cozy ambience. Decorative pillows in pastel hues, modern paintings, candles, and indoor plants add charm. A thick white area rack complements the overall decor, providing warmth and texture. The large balcony terrace is simple yet beautifully furnished and decorated. The stylish dining area features a wooden table and classic wooden chairs. Placed in a bright corner with ample windows, it invites natural light. Window sills adorned with potted plants and candlesticks create a serene atmosphere. White cabinets, a wooden countertop, and a blue-gray ceramic backsplash define the kitchen. Abundant cabinets and built-in appliances ensure functionality. The master bedroom exudes charm with white furniture and wallpapered walls. A soft color palette of white and light gray promotes relaxation. The small second bedroom maintains a bright white theme. The surprisingly spacious bathroom features a shower cabin. The second apartment showcased in the video exemplifies how to create an elegant living space without breaking the bank. Let's delve into its design details. The overall color scheme revolves around calming gray and white tones. Natural wood elements are seamlessly integrated from the hardwood floor to the furniture. Like the first apartment, the second one features a small yet well-organized entranceway. The living area exudes charm with a small gray sofa adorned with white decorative pillows and a cozy gray throw. Two tall metallic black coffee tables add a touch of sophistication. A discreet floor-standing lamp provides ambient lighting. Additional accents include a small gray area rug, candles, a large potted plant, and a classic painting, plus another one in black and white. The bedroom welcomes with a warm and inviting ambience. Long beige curtains elegantly cover the windows, ensuring privacy. The tiny balcony is thoughtfully furnished with a small outdoor furniture set. It's the perfect spot for enjoying fresh air and relaxation. The dining area embracing simplicity and beauty. A rectangular wood table is surrounded by four mismatched chairs. The L-shaped kitchen combines shades of gray and white. Gray cabinets, a white black splash, and a white countertop create a harmonious space. Despite its size, the kitchen remains functional. The bathroom, though small, serves its purpose efficiently. In summary, this apartment demonstrates that elegance can be achieved even within budget constraints. Thank you for joining us on this delightful journey through our charming small apartments. We hope you've been inspired by the ingenious design solutions that transform limited spaces into cozy heavens. Before we bid adieu, let's recap the magic we've uncovered. The open space wonder. Imagine stepping into an area, embrace the kitchen, dining area, and living room seamlessly blend together, creating a warm and snug atmosphere. The L-shaped kitchen. Here, form meets function. Sleek white or gray cabinets, a generous countertop, and a beautiful backsplash make cooking a joy. The dining nook. A rectangular wooden table takes center stage, surrounded by mismatched chairs, each with its own tail. The cozy living room. Sink into the small sectional gray or white sofa, planked cushions cradling you. The tiny coffee table holds your cup of warmth as you unwind. The little details, vases with fresh flowers and a pop of color, while indoor plants breathe life in every corner. Decorative pillows beckon you to stay a while, and those heavy curtains, they frame the windows like elegant theater drapes, keeping the outside world at bay when needed. Join us on our YouTube channel, Grig's Stamate Interior Design Solutions, where you will find the newly uploaded video featuring these delightful small apartments. Explore more related videos, including tours of tiny apartments with smart layouts and sublime Scandinavian style designs. Let's celebrate affordable living and the beauty of creativity. Thank you so much for your time. Bye now.